Are ko utobo gape. Tamo jika kwa. Utobo gape. Hi guys, this is Dr. Coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. You know what time is it? Is it what time is it, or you know what time it is? You know what time is it? It doesn't matter. I have manuals. I don't need to know English. 1 minute strategy. Yeah, I'm trying to pin this thing here. All right. Yeah, Ipaki. Yeah. You know what time it is, man. You know what time is it? Is it you know what time it is, or you know what time is it? You know what time is it, or you know what time it is? I don't know. But yeah, man. Boys with G-Wagons, you know what I'm saying? But one deal it's a little faster drive. You know what time it is, man. No, don't worry. I'll show you my trades just now. You know what time it is, man. AMG boys. Langushisha man. Langushish. V8 by table. AMG boys. V8 by table. AMG boys. You know what time it is, man. You know what I'm saying, man. AMG boys. I was inspired Dumulori. Langushish. Salo I wanna call you the pipe jama side thing. A little talamus. Ka doctor you wallet. So anyways, my people. Yeah. So it's that time now, man. People have been saying they've never seen me trade the 1 minute strategy. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna show them what's happening. You know, it's NFP today. It's NFP today. I'll go live specifically for NFP. This is not about NFP, but obviously it worked in my favor, you know. So this trade, it's actually based on the 1 minute strategy. Yeah. Okay, let me switch the camera. Yeah, so this is okay, let me max the brightness. Yeah, so this is the chart on NZD, you know, the chart on NZD. Yeah, man, I've been on this trade using the 1 minute strategy. This is not market direction, people. This is not market direction, right? This is not market direction. This is strictly 1 minute strategy. Like, understand? Strictly 1 minute strategy, not modifications, not anything. Lansar. Get demo, by the way, ne? This is a demo account under genetic. It's a demo. It's not real. It's not real, ne? It's not real. It's a demo account. So you can go and open a demo account with them as well. It's not real. Don't get confused by the real you see. It's a demo. Ne? I guess that's what you wanna believe. So it's a demo. I'm on your side. I'm not the enemy here. I'm not the enemy. No, I wasn't trading NFP. Just for clarity purposes. This is NZD. I was trading my things using the 1 minute strategy. I think I've sent the video in FBK groups. I'll send a new update. So anyways, I've started this account with 1,500 rands. 1,500 rands. Like, understand, 1,500 rands. And I've traded Nasdaq. It's the same account that I've traded Nasdaq on. If you remember, I went live trading Nasdaq. The Nasdaq that I'm gonna add to FBK online services for free, by the way, for existing members. So yeah, so I've started with a deposit of 1,500 rands, And what happened again? Yeah, I've made about 35,000, I think 35,000 rands, but I've only managed to close at 20, how much was it? 23,000 profit. So that means that my account was now from 1,500 to 24,000. But that is not money, you know. I'm just doing it to prove it all over again, using my demo account. It's a demo, ne? It's a demo. Nah, it's a demo. Don't get angry. It's a demo. It's not real, man. It's not real. Now the only nice thing about this demo, ne, is that I'm able to withdraw. That is the only nice thing. This is the only demo that I'm able to withdraw. So are you guys ready to see a miracle from a deposit of 1,500 rands? You guys don't appreciate me. From a deposit of 1,500 rands, 1,500 rands deposit. Are you ready? Are you ready, my people? Type being I'm ready. Allen ready. Allen ready. Are you guys ready? Type I'm ready. Type I'm ready. These people are not typing anything. Can't what Lenal Jalasna. Lal Jalasna. Hey, yeah, no, it's not a real account, by the way. You're more than all welcome to go and open the demo accounts as well. It's not a problem. I guess that's what you wanna believe. I'm still waiting for you guys to type I'm ready. Where is the I'm ready? I'm not gonna show you guys. Laban di usual. Alen respect, man. Alen respect. Laban. Alen respect, bafuit. Where is I'm ready? I don't see I'm ready. People are laughing. So I'm doing comedy now, ne? Okay. Where is I'm ready? Oh, we are ready. Yes. Now you see now. Now we are talking. Now we are talking, my people. Now we are talking. Now we are talking. So remember now, as I'm celebrating 5 years of trading Forex, I'm all about showing the skill rather than me proving how much or what I'm capable of. This is a skill. We're using 1 minute strategy. The same 1 minute strategy which niggas go around telling people that it doesn't work. This is the same 1 minute strategy from a deposit of 1,500. Abash. From a deposit of 1,500 on my demo account. This is a demo. It is a demo account. It is a demo account. 150K from a deposit of how much? 1,500. Langushish. But obviously the balance was 24 because of the Nasdaq trade. But the account, I started it on 1,500. So now, so many people, I don't know what's wrong with you guys, especially FBK students. I don't know what's wrong with you guys, because you guys go around saying, the 1 minute is not working, the 1 minute is not working. But when I trade it, it works. So I don't know, what is it that you guys are trading actually? But I know today, definitely, I know you guys made profit. I haven't checked my WhatsApp as yet. But I'm concerned. What is it that you guys are trading? Dimanoble? M6. Yeah, well, so 250K, 150,000. And this is not NFP. This is not NFP. It is not NFP. I will go live specifically for NFP, not now. This is not NFP. Don't confuse this with it is not NFP, my people. This is something, it's 1 minute strategy. You know, FBK students, I did tell them which event this was, you know, and I constantly remind you guys that you guys behave like millionaires. That is the main problem. You behave like you have money and you don't have money, you know. You behave like you have money. You don't even do any research about these events. They are better, far better events than NFP. Far better events than NFP, I'm telling you. But instead, I don't know, you are waiting for Jesus to come back. I don't know what you want, because I'm proving it all over. This profit you are seeing comes from a deposit of $100, 1,500 rents 1,500 rands. 1,500. What le fadisha king would you saw? Okay, I understand you haven't gotten the Nasdaq as yet, but you're gonna get it when I do the 2022 versions of 1 minute and modifications. But still, even with 1,500, you could have made I don't know, maybe close to 50k from 1,500 on a single trade. Somewhere there, maybe 30 grand, 30k from 1,500. I don't know what's wrong with you guys. But anyways, you can see. And this is a demo, by the way. It is a demo. So now the reason why I'm saying I'm confessing that it's a demo is because I know my enemies will say, nah, this is a demo. So I'm confessing it is a demo. So I don't know what they will say next. It is a demo. But this is the only demo in the world that allows me to withdraw money. So I'm going to withdraw. I am going to withdraw when I close this trade. Otherwise, I'm here to inspire you guys. You know, I care a lot about you guys. So it's not even about how much you start with. It's about the skill, people. It's about the skill. Respect your elders. I'm your elder. Not with age, but with experience on the market. So, learn respecting. Anyways, I just went live to motivate you guys. Or less I give up. But this was purely 1 minute strategy. And what I did, because I haven't, FBK has been closed for like 6 months. Ne? FBK, the last time it was opened was last year, October. 6 to 7 months, it has been closed. So after that, it was never opened. So I just opened it now at 130 rands. 130 rands. Or le khono lena o trader. Le khono lena o trader. Le khono dia mihlolegi diang. Langushishkili dia la di favor mo. Maral appreciate. Ba di le di profit le khono. Ba di le di profit le khono. Mar le thank you nyana. Le e-wallet nyana next. Moto joina ka 130 ranta. Adia 5,000. Le 500 amp. Mara it's fine. It's fine. Muri mutlo le bona. Muri mutlo le bona. Anyways, ke le leboga ke otherwise, I love you so much. Thank you for staying with FBK for the longest time. Otherwise, come celebrate my birthday celebration on the 15th of May. Go Propaganda Pretoria. 15th of May at Propaganda Pretoria. I'll be doing a birthday celebration. Celebrating 5 years of hustling. 5 years of hustling. So kokpala letlen celebrating len na di hustlara li yaula hustler mbalo ya gelinyaka ulo mulo yusa wa mpatamela. Don't even come close to me. I hate witches. So otherwise gal rata babot. So no, I'm gonna process a withdrawal. Probably I'll get paid Monday or Tuesday. So that I can buy electricity and petrol for AMG C63S.